It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be using my new edge tips that I got from Amazon. So I'm going to start by applying them to my non-posable practice hand. And while I do that, I'm going to put the comments from my last video on the screen. Thank you all so much for coming to the video and commenting. And if you would like your comment to be shouted out, make sure that you're one of the first people to comment on this video. So I'm going to be using my Young Nails products on this set. And I did add these edge tips to my Amazon storefront, so make sure you check that out. So this was actually my first time using these tips, and I absolutely love them. So much so that I used them on myself to do my anniversary nails. So make sure that you stay tuned for that video. So I'm going in with this color, and I'm basically going to put it all over the nail. So I do my application several ways. Sometimes I like to start at the cuticle area and kind of work toward the edge like I do on this nail. And then on a different nail, I'm going to show you how I like to start at the edge and then go toward the cuticle area. So I'm going to apply my first bead at the edge of the nail, and then I'm going to work my way toward the cuticle. So it's really a preference how you want to do it. As you can see, for me, it just depends on how I'm feeling. And of course, for you all, I try to show you multiple ways. This color came in one of those kits from Young Nails that I got during that Memorial Day sale. So if you haven't seen my Young Nails haul video, definitely check it out. And with these tips, I was trying to keep that kind of edge shape. I didn't want to completely get rid of that. After this set, this became like one of my favorite shapes. So I did do it on my nails, and I cannot wait to continue to use these. After I saw it on my hands, I was like, this is it. This is the shape that I'm going to use for forever. I was just sold. So after I get all of the acrylic on, I'm going to go in with some designs, of course, and we're going to encapsulate some things. So I'm going to get some of my Itz Sirap glitter, and I'm going to use some gold butterflies that I got from, I believe, the Attitude shop. I did a haul for all of the things that I got from the Attitude shop and the Nail Remedy, so make sure you check that video out to see where those butterflies came from. And for the Itz Sirap glitter, I'm going to be using carrots. So I am using a little bit of clear acrylic. I'm just kind of putting a wash of that over the nail. And then I am dipping into the carrots glitter and picking up some of those butterflies. And I put this in kind of like a diagonal or like a swirl on the nail. And they really came out great. This is something that I would definitely rock myself. And the gold on top of this kind of shimmery off-white color really looks good. After I played with it a little bit to kind of get the glitter and the butterflies exactly where I wanted them, then I went in with some clear acrylic and just capped all of the nails. And while doing this, I was trying to just keep that shape the whole time so that my filing wouldn't be that bad. If you missed the video of me using this practice hand for the first time, definitely check that video out. This is one of my favorites out of all of the practice hands that I have. So yeah, check that video out. Now I'm going in with my e-file to go around that cuticle area and smooth out everything. My application was pretty decent, so going in with the sanding band, a hand file, and a buffer will be pretty good. On the sides of the nail, I try to make sure that I keep those flat instead of curved, because I really want that kind of point, how like the tip is kind of folded. I really want that point to stay in there. So instead of kind of rounding it like I normally would, I try to keep it flat on each side. So at the top I round it, and toward the bottom I go flat. I hope that makes sense. Then I go in with the buffer just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And I like to buff my edges and everything. Of course, she is not going to scratch anybody, but for myself, definitely I like to make sure that I go over those edges with the buffer so that my nails aren't, so that they will look sharp and crisp, but so that they won't really be, you know, sharp. Now I'm going in with some top coat. And I believe this top coat was either the Born Pretty or the Beatles. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. And I like to cure for 60 seconds twice, just to make sure that everything is fully cured. And this is what she is looking like. So let me know in the comments how y'all feel about the whole edge tips, the Russian almond, the Gothic almond. It's so many different names that, you know, you can call this kind of look, but I love these tips. Let me know if you would rock it. And if you want your comment to be featured on the screen, definitely make sure that you are one of the first to comment on my videos. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.